Hi, my name's Georgina. We are inside the beauty library. We are going to talk all about foundation. Put it on the face, put it on the face. Because we love it and we want it to be awesome. We're going to figure this out together. So, today we are talking about IT Cosmetics CC Illuminating Cream with SPF 50. IT Cosmetics is known for being developed by plastic surgeons and dermatologists. On a regular basis, I am not one to use a primer or a setting spray. I want to know how the foundation holds up on its own. I want to see if it can stand my whole day when I'm going out, running errands, getting coffee, without having to do touch-ups, without having to put powder on over it. So let's go take a look and see how it did. Full day wear test, no primer, no powder, nothing, just the foundation. Let's go take a look. All right, bare face, here we go. Pumping. This feels nice, it's very smooth. It's kind of thick. I'm gonna try my Artiste brush. So I basically went into the store and I was like, give me the most luxurious brush you have. And this is what they gave me. It's got these really dense bristles. And this is not a brush for the, this is not a brush if you have a heavy hand. I have a very heavy hand, so I had to learn how to press very delicately, like don't even touch your face. Just don't even touch your face. Just glide it. Let's try. Definitely good coverage. So I usually wear a light to medium coverage. But this was very intriguing because it's SPF 50, so that's amazing. Developed by plastic surgeons, so you're like, hey, can't go wrong with that. This is really thick. It kind of smells like lemon. Okay, so for being a full coverage, I actually am kind of liking how it's going on with the Artiste brush. It's making it way easier to blend. I think I put too much on. Very illuminating. I think it's too illuminating for me. You guys see how shiny my face is? Look how shiny that is. I don't know. I think you'd need I think you would need a setting powder. Setting powder, probably good with this. Primer, probably good with this. Am I gonna use setting powder or primer? No. I do not think that I'm gonna do a second coat with this one. I think one coat is good. All right, so we are gonna wear this for 12 hours, see how it does. And I will check back in with you guys and let you know. I have some thoughts. I put it on, and as you can see, it is very shiny. It is, I just went to the gym look all day long. I think if you have very dry skin, it would probably be good for you. So the problem that I find with a lot of the illuminating foundations is the fact that they do tend to emphasize imperfections, like your pores. This one settled into wrinkles. I really, really wanted to love it. I really did. I love the idea. I love the idea of it glowing and having sun protection and skincare. And this one, I am going to say for myself, is probably not one that I would recommend. Yeah. So we are gonna move on. But I will be looking at other IT Cosmetics. I hope to share more reviews with you on a line that is geared more towards skincare with SPF protection, and I hope that I can find one to recommend to you and that you will put on your face and you would absolutely, absolutely love it. It was so nice to see you today. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Georgina Castens inside the Beauty Library. I will see you next time.